Welcome to Stardust Travelers. This is Wardell. I'm at Parque Lira. It's a skate park inside of here. I've been skating for a little bit before I started recording, which wasn't a good idea. So let's check out the skate park, all right? Go.
Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that
Oh yeah, got the old war battle shoes up there. Park is pretty big, man, and it has a keyhole in the back too. Got some footage of that, so I'll show you that. It's early morning, it's like 9:30. I got here like right at 8:30. No, I got here at 9. So I've only been skating 30 minutes and I am worn out, guys. But it's a pretty nice, smooth flowing park. I got a little video of me flowing through the park, so y'all check it out. Stay tuned. This is Parque Lira near Escondon in Mexico City.
Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that I can change. Remembering all of those nights.